0. So we have 100 as our Miller indices. So this is the third question in a row. Let's do the next one. So we have another problem, that is 2a minus 3b minus 4c. Now let's take the coefficient of these. Coefficient of a is 2, coefficient of b is minus 3, coefficient of c is minus 4. Now take the reciprocal of 2 half. Taking the reciprocal of 1 minus 3 is minus 1 by 3. Taking the reciprocal of minus 4 will be minus 1 by 4. Okay. So is that the Miller indices? No, because that's a fractional number. So we take the LCM of the denominators, that is 2, 3, and 4. Taking the LCM of the denominators will give us 12. You can, I guess, you can calculate that, right? Multiply each of these with 12. So multiplying half with 12 will give us 6. Minus 1/3 with 12 will give us minus 4. And minus 1/4 with 12 will give us minus 3. So there you go, guys. This is the Miller indices: 6 minus 4 minus 3. Remember, in writing Miller indices, we never write minus 4 or minus 3. We always give a bar. This bar represents that this 4 is a negative number. This bar represents this 3 is a negative number. So we have 6 minus 4 minus 3. So we write it, when in terms of Miller indices, we write it 6, 4 bar, 3 bar. Do not introduce a comma. Miller indices is always written in this manner without any commas. I hope you understand this one too. I already covered this in one of those videos, already covered this in great details. Now guys, now folks, we have these planes, these crazy beautiful planes from which you have to find out the Miller indices. So I'm not going to explain that because I have a tons of videos about that. I hope you can see them, watch them, and learn from there in details. I'm just going to show them, right? So see the first one, how I did it, and the second one, how I did it. It's always in the same pattern. That is, you find out the intercepts, then the reciprocal, then the Miller indices. There you go. You have the intercepts, reciprocals, and the Miller indices. Similarly, you have this problem where you have this plane. So you find out the intercepts, you find out the reciprocal of the intercepts, then there you go. You have the Miller indices. Well, as for this problem, you have find the Miller indices of the given plane. So you have a plane where the plane cuts x-axis at x equal to 4a and y-axis at y equal to 2b and z-axis at z equal to 3b. Remember, these are the intercepts. So x intercept will be 4a, y intercept will be 2b, and z intercept will be 3c. So আমি একটু বাংলায় বলি যাতে বুঝতে পারো। সেটা হচ্ছে যে x ইন্টারসেপ্টকে হচ্ছে আমরা পেয়েছি 4a, y axis কে কাট করে 2b তে, সো y ইন্টারসেপ্ট ইজ 2b, আর z axis কে কাট করে হচ্ছে 3b তে, সো z ইন্টারসেপ্ট হচ্ছে 3c. Okay, so now it's time to only take the constants, sorry, the coefficients. That is, the coefficient of a is 4, coefficient of b is 2, and the coefficient of c is 3. So guys, now you take the reciprocal of 4, 2, and 3. You get 1 by 4, half, and 1/3. Now this is this the Miller indices? This would be a Miller indices if যদি এটা এরকম না হইতো। আমি আসলে ইংলিশে বারবার বলতেছি, পয়েন্ট ইজ দ্যাট আমার স্টুডেন্টকে বুঝতে হবে যে এটা কখন Miller indices হতো, যদি এটা ফ্র্যাকশনাল ভ্যালু না হতো। যেমন এখানে কোনো ফ্র্যাকশন নাই, সো দিস ইজ সিম্পলি Miller indices. আর এই ক্ষেত্রে কি হবে, ইজ দিস দ্য Miller indices? Oh no, this is not the Miller indices because this is a fractional value. Remember, Miller indices can never be fractions. So what do? We take the LCM of 4, 2, and 3. We get, I guess, we get 12. Okay, we get 12. So multiply each of them with 12. You get 3, 6, and 4. This is your Miller indices, guys. This is your Miller indices. Miller indices here is 3, 6, 4. So there you go. I am showing you another problem from Miller indices. So this is the plane which cuts x-axis at 2a, y-axis at 3b, and z-axis at 2c. So intercepts are 2a, 3b, and 2c. You take the coefficient of 2a, which is 2, 3b, which is 3, 2c, which is 2. Then take the reciprocal. Then what do? You see, these are fractions. You can't say these are Miller indices. So what do is that we take the LCM of these denominators, which is 2, 3, and 2. And I guess the LCM of 2, 3, and 2 will be 6, right? So multiply each of them with 6, you get 3 to 3. That is the Miller indices, guys.